What is going on, guys? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, and today I want to discuss Bitcoin and if there really is any possibility of us testing down into the 1,000 level, where I've seen people been kind of fudding out on Twitter a little bit, and that's been a number that's been being thrown around. And also, guys, if it's possible for us to head back up to the 20,000 level sooner rather than later. So, guys, if you like these daily crypto videos and live streams, don't forget to smack that thumbs up button, click to subscribe, tick the little bell, and let's get this crypto. So guys, before we even get into anything, I do want to touch upon the generic market cycle Wall Street cheat sheet, right? So this is generally how most bubble pops go, guys. This is just the generic trend, and most asset classes and stocks tend to follow this pattern when the bubbles do happen to pop. Very rarely, if really ever, have any assets gone through this type of euphoric bubble and then not really crashed all the way down into the depression level and find their ground there and then head back up. And this is just how it works, guys. Something like this in kind of an inverted S shape. Basically, you go all the way up on euphoria, like we saw with Bitcoin, all the way up here at 20,000. You would crash into the rubble, and then obviously, guys, the phoenix does eventually arise from the ashes, and you start the next euphoric bubble cycle. And that is the cycle of market emotions, and that's how it works. So I believe Bitcoin is in a market cycle right now, and I want to discuss the 1K levels and the 20K levels. So first, let's take a look here, guys. We could see on this chart here that, up towards 20,000, people are still hodling. Then we got our first test of a retest up to the 20K level. We failed at around 17.2. We dropped down. People were starting to buy the dip. We rise a little bit. People still like, oh, damn, I'm not selling. We capitulate down to 6,000. And it's like, oh, man, why didn't I sell? Then we go back up. We get back to 11,000 range, guys, which was pretty crazy. People are really starting to feel good again. Then we start to get another lower low hanging man again, guys. Dump. And obviously where we're at now at around 6.8K. So market sentiment is most important to me here, guys. Of course, we are dealing with a market cycle, but more important than anything is the market sentiment, guys. And to be quite honest with you, I feel like the market sentiment right now is terrible to bad, right? This is my personal chart of market sentiment, and the worst is terrible. And right now, I believe we're in terrible to bad. So it's going to be very hard for people to start rallying behind Bitcoin right now. We have a lot of FUD guys coming out about taxes, which in the United States, it's only 2 weeks from now that taxes are due. So you have media sources such as CoinDesk putting out stuff on how to pay your Bitcoin taxes and all that stuff. So that may have people a little bit skittish on the market. Of course, the SEC getting involved with ICO regulations and token regulations, that also has people a little bit scared. Obviously, Google Trends right now, guys, the searches for Bitcoin have plummeted off the face of the earth here. Obviously back in December, we were at an 100% peak for search terms of Bitcoin. And now compared to 100, we're at 19. Buy Bitcoin was also another large trend. Back then, you could see what's happened to buy Bitcoin, guys. From 100 to 7 is where we're at now. And we can even look at crypto, which would be pretty relevant as well. And you can see we've fallen from 100 to 28. So significant fall off here, guys. And the truth of the matter is that I do believe there is a possibility that we could potentially test the 1,000 level. Now, you see on my chart here, I think that at least to try and find some consolidation and maybe a bounce zone would be around 4,500 over the next extrapolated parabolic trend line. But then you could see this line I have here on the bottom, guys. This is the return to norm bubble pop. I mean, going off the Wall Street cheat sheet, right? What happens is you hit that depression zone, and a depression zone, guys, is basically a return to norm. And the return to norm in this case for Bitcoin would be around the 1,000, 2,000 level with really a low of 900. So you can't rule it out, guys. And the thing is that we are starting to see some heavy sell pressure come in. we've already permeated through this trend line, which people said was going to be unbreakable, and we have already broken down out of it. So that flag here, this big flag, guys, turned into a bull flag, or excuse me, people wanted it to be a bull flag, and it actually broke into a bear flag. So it's a little bit of a rough time, guys. We are into this new channel now. Nothing out of the ordinary here, though, guys. If you are subscribed to this channel, you know that I've been looking for us to break into this channel for quite some time, but it's really this next channel that things could start to get really spicy, guys. For lack of a better term, it could get pretty spicy in here. So we have to watch out, guys. We need this sentiment to turn around. Like I said, you can see even just from Google search results. I know it, guys, from, being a personality on Twitter and YouTube. My numbers do take a hit as well. So, if you guys are still here, you guys are the savages, man. We are the ones that will reap the benefits of this market bottoming out and buying in at the bottom for the biggest gains of the year. That is who gets the reward. It's the people that stay in the market even when the times are hard, and you don't give up on this type of crash, because we've dealt with this many times in crypto, and we're going to deal with it many times over again. This is just the biggest one for most people thus far in this market. So, the learning curve and learning to really stomach these types of pullbacks is not easy. So I get it. It's an experience thing. It's something that it is good for you in the long run to experience this and grow from it as a trader and an investor. So I do think it's possible, guys, that we could test that level. I mean, eventually. That's a full-blown market cycle bubble pop, right? That's the generic term. If we followed this cheat sheet 100%, that would be around the 1,000 to 1.2K level. But personally, my target right now for a good bounce zone, maybe some consolidation, and an altcoin bull run would be around 4,500. So we'll have to see, guys. And for all of my altcoin signals, guys, when I do believe that we're going to get that bounce I'm talking about, and when that bull run is going to hopefully occur, get in the public trading signals channel, guys, t.me/altcoin party. That link is down below in the description. You'll get all of my public trading signals in there. And if you guys are interested in my private trading community, oh man, over 200 of us in there now, guys. It's absolutely insane. This is my private VIP community where you get all of my personal entries, exits, targets, insights on Bitcoin and altcoins trading, plus our traders chat. Like I said, guys, over 200 full-time savage crypto traders in there now, guys. And we have 2 bots. We have a data scraping bot which scrapes social media for all these hyped up coins no one else is talking about but us, and our brand new AI, artificial intelligence trading signals bot, which uses mathematical algorithms to find potentially ready to kaboom coins, guys. So you see some of my past results right here, guys. If you are interested in the private VIP community, shoot me a direct message on Twitter at CryptoKirby, or a direct message on Telegram at CryptoKirby, and I'll get you in VIP Elite with us tonight. So guys, let me know what you think about the 1,000 target, or if you think we're headed back up. I personally think we need to see this sentiment change. We need to start getting people excited about crypto again. We need to get back to at least neutral, guys, so we can flip the switch to neutral to good, good to great, to great. And obviously, the market's a little scared right now, guys. So let me hear what you have to say down below in the comment section, guys. I want to know what your personal predictions are. Are you happy with crypto? Are you buying the dip? Have you sold? Are you hodling? Let me know, because I want to get a gauge on what you guys are feeling like right now. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. It helps grow the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell if you are brand new. I try and put out a daily crypto video and do a nightly live stream for you guys on the crypto market every day. So it's my pleasure, guys. And until next time, be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs.